This one looks like your mother.
He's dead.
Whoa, okay. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Break time, break time. It is time. Yeah, Silk Song is out. It is now. Hold on a second, hold on a second, hold on a second. Yeah! Yippee! Okay, okay, okay. Derailing the stream here. Ah, come on. Steam, let me buy it. Oh, oh, the Steam servers are just fucked right now. I can't even access the store. There we go, okay. I'm in the store. Come on. Don't fuck with me right now, Steam. Not. Oh, fuck. Hold on a sec. I just get this screen instead. When trying to access the page. Come on now. Let me buy it. Let me have it. Silk Song time. Don't fuck with me, Steam. This is important. Steam is down. Everyone's trying to buy it. Yeah, of course. I mean, it's expected. One of the most anticipated games. Come on. Let me have it. Yeah, add to cart, baby. Ah, there's an error. Come on. One more try. Ah, look at this thing. Come on. Come on. No. Give it to me. I want it. Come on.